Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth AI review about this AI platform, which is Customers.ai. So to get started, Customer.ai is an AI-powered marketing platform designed to help business turn anonymous website visitors into a real lead. It offers features like multi-channel chatbot, visitors tracking, automated lead alert, and a seamless CRM integration with flexible pricing that includes a free trial and a scalable paid plan. It's especially useful for business and agencies that want to capture more leads and improve conversation without relying solemnly on traditional ads. On the downside, some users have raised concern about billing issues, onboarding challenges, and the platform feeling pricey for small teams. While reviews are generally positive, others point out limited email flexibility and occasional lag from the platform. And in conclusion, Customers AI is a strong tool if your business rely heavily on leads generation and automation, but smaller business mean want to weigh the cost against the benefit. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more reviews.